What's in there, B? They have dug that hole, and they've done this right here too. There are some digging little things. She didn't dig all of this. There was actually a hole there, but she made it larger. Isn't that right, Lucy? Look at that. Taking up chunks. I'm definitely posting a video with y'all in it, Lucy. Hey guys, what's going on? I want to say happy Thanksgiving to all my subscribers and possibly future subscribers that are looking at this in the future. I want to say hello to you too. So I want to make a quick video today, just kind of looking at this S10. I was about to, I'm about to start driving this thing daily to kind of not put so many miles on my BMW. Just kind of, I'm gonna need this to go get motors and stuff like that from the parts store. I don't want to put those in my 4Runner either, because I mean, oil, gas, all that stuff coming out of them. Don't really want that all over my 4Runner. And then yeah, so I mean, that's kind of why I got the truck to begin with. But I also planned on souping it up too at some point, but I'm gonna need it to get the motor and everything. So what I want to do is I want to clean up this here. See, it's pretty dirty. I don't think it's probably actually never been cleaned. I mean, most people don't really care about cleaning the engine compartment of their vehicle. They just kind of just let it be what it is, and I get it. It could be a pain in the butt. You're also worried about whether or not you're going to damage something. But luckily with these motors, there isn't really a whole lot to damage. I mean, if I'm going to take off that carburetor, or well, I'm sorry, the air cleaner here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape up and put a bag on the throttle body there, just to kind of protect it, keep water out of it, and then everything else will be fine. I can spray it down and do whatever I need to do. But I'm going to show you what it looks like. Well, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use and everything here in just a second. Let me just get everything together, and I'll get back to you. So it's pretty easy to remove. This doesn't have the factory nut on top, but it's basically the same concept. Take that off, and take that off. I'll remove that, which reveals my throttle body and a bunch of stuff up inside there too that's gonna need to get cleaned out. So this is loose, but I'm gonna need to, okay, that's undone. There's a vacuum line right there that needs to come undone, and a vacuum line right there. So there's a vacuum line right here and one right here. Then there's this right here. You're gonna have to just, oh, I broke that, but that's okay. Nothing the zip tie can't fix. All right, I believe that's everything there. Let's see. Yeah, that's everything. All right, oh, there we go. Got that out. We'll clean this separately, because that thing is nasty. There we go. Set that stuff down here. All right, so now we can see what we got here. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna put these, stuff these up in the bag whenever I do it. That I'll probably just put a little piece of bag on. I'll probably put both of those in there in that bag just to kind of protect them both. I'm not planning on getting too crazy, because I'm also going to be pulling this motor out to replace some seals, because I mean the valve cover gasket's bad on both sides. I mean, I probably need to replace every seal I can get to. So and I also need to go ahead and do spark plugs and wires. That's one thing I like to do when I get a vehicle, is just go ahead and do spark plug wires and the rotor and cap, because you never know when the last time the previous person did it. Let's see here. Oh, there's a vacuum line right there too, that on the back side here. I probably just pulled that loose. Let's see here. What was that going to? Yeah, right there is where it was going to. Alright, I'm gonna get my shop vac out. I'm gonna vacuum up as much stuff as I can, and then I'll get my air hose and I'm gonna blow out as much as I can too. But first, I'm gonna cover up that stuff with the bag. So let me get a bag. Guys, so alright, so check it out. Went ahead and got that covered up. I'm not gonna actually be spraying any hose, you know, actually water. So I'm not too concerned. Like I said, I'm not gonna be getting up into there. Just whenever I blow out with the airline, I don't want to be getting stuff up in either one of these things, just in case. I will be cleaning up a lot of this stuff, making it look a lot better. But yeah, like I said, I'll be pulling this motor out, so there's no real point in me cleaning it right now. I'll get a better access at it at a later time. But I do want to get all of this stuff going along here, all around the motor. Really, that's what I'm looking at doing right here. And I'll get a lot of it, and there'll be more I get once I pull the motor out, which I plan on doing that this weekend anyways. I want to go ahead. It's only going to take me about a day to go ahead and pull the motor out, replace the gaskets, pop it back in here. It's gonna be really easy. So and I'll have a video you will see later on, but first I'm gonna clean up what I can. So I got it vacuumed out and blown out. I've gotten all of the loose debris taken out. So now I'm gonna start cleaning up. I mean, it's so noticeable on this thing right here. The thing is just filthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping down and cleaning up. I have to go, well, I'm going to my mom's for Thanksgiving to feast on a large amount of food. So I'm gonna be just about useless when I get done with that for a couple hours. But yeah, I'm gonna do what I can until then. So I'm gonna show you me cleaning up. This is pretty nasty looking. So I'm gonna clean this up right here. I got what I'm gonna use. I'll be using this right here. Now the thing about this is it leaves an oily residue, which I hate. I hate that oily look to it. So I end up wiping that off. So I'll spray it on there, but I'll end up cleaning it all the way off. So. But I wanted to loosen this stuff up, so I'm gonna go all over this thing. All right, let's flip this thing over. Make sure I'm not spraying my face. Done that once before. It was funny. All right, get all that. All right, so I'm gonna let that sit for just a second, and I'm gonna wipe it off. But by the way, let me just show you what I got going on so far. So it's much cleaner in here, as you can see. I mean, that thing's so much more clean. There's only so much you can clean, though. I mean, it's not going to be clear like it used to. You know, that one's clean. That one you can see some overspray from when the fender was painted by the previous owner. Oh, that's nice and clean. All clean. I didn't even know that side was that color. I thought it was black. Crazy. And look at that thing. So much cleaner. I feel a lot better about this. And so I also got up in there and cleaned. So got that up there cleaned. She's looking good. I'm gonna hit this with a toothbrush. I've just been letting that kind of soak for a little bit, but just like I'm kind of letting that soak. But now let's get down here and clean this up. Let's see here. All right, I'm gonna need both hands, so I'll get back to you. All right, so I was able to get somebody to actually hold the camera for me. Michael with Fix It channel is actually holding it for me. But so while I was gone, you can see that I've actually cleaned this thing up a great deal from what it was. Right now I'm trying to get all that oily residue that's on there. Like I said, I don't like it. And then there's some stuff right up in here. Just want to get all that out. I don't want nothing remaining. That looks better. So just kind of cleaning everything. Don't want none of that oily crap all over it whenever I get done.
You're not very good at staying centered in the camera.
Yeah, I'm not very photogenic. Or not very good at the camera, or being behind or in front of a camera, however that is.
Well, I'm not a camera operator, so.
Alright, let me see if I can't get up inside there.
Fix shit.
Shove this up in through here.
Look at that hand modeling.
And just kind of work it. Yeah, look at that. That's so much better. Let's see here. Yeah.
Just like you're rubbing one out.
That's right. All my teenage years is kind of coming together now.
You see how he's working those fingertips.
And my mom said I'd never amount to nothing. Actually, she never said that, but
We all know she was thinking it.
yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, she's already starting to look a lot better. Only so much you can do with this old stuff, though.
That's coming over camera good.
Whew, that stuff right there, that's a lot of stuff up inside there.
You can't see it on the camera.
Let's see if I can't, though. Oh, yeah. That's doing it. Alright.
Hey, that's a much better picture.
So, this is what I found inside here just now. Probably not good to be in there. I feel like it probably leads to the motor a little bit. Just my opinion.
That was probably done to keep mice out of the engine.
Probably.
While I was sitting up.
Very possible.
The previous owner would have known that, but he died, so.
Just trying to. There we go.
Whoops. Sorry. Like I said, I'm not a camera operator.
Alright, that's why you always go through a vehicle that you get, because you never know what was done to prevent something here and there, and especially when you don't have the previous person to talk to. You just kind of go over everything. You just want to have a nice clean slate.
Kick that dead horse.
That's it. There we go. Alright, so I think I'm gonna call that there. I don't know if I can get that any cleaner. Oh wait, I see one spot I want to wipe up. You can see some of that stuff starting to drip out right there. Alright, that's better. Yeah, so as you can see, that's already 1,000 times better. So let's get that thing put back in. Alright, let's put that right there. Like I said, I didn't do anything special. I just wanted to prevent dust from getting in there. Alright. So this goes like this. Right up in there. Alright, then we got this. Has to go Got hooked up all the little vacuum lines. So this goes here, but we're gonna do that last. This one went here. Down like that. This one went here.
I can't see anything through your dirty dick beaters.
And then this one goes right here. Bang! Just like that. Alright.
Vacuum line, plug, other vacuum line.
Alright, so she looks like she's good, and well, hold on, there's some wires I want to make sure. This wire back here. There we go. Just want to make sure all the wires are where they need to be. Let's see, where's that air filter? Air filter. Boom. There you are. There it is.
Wing nut.
Not quite a wing nut, but there's a nut. It's getting a nut. Wonder if it's the right one.
It's
You know,
not.
'cause-
They're always supposed to have a wing nut.
Well, I mean, I'm just saying because it's making an impression up here, but it's also kind of, it's not sitting there just right either. So, but all right, guys. Well, I need to go and jump in the shower.
Even though he's not going to put this back where it goes.
It doesn't have. It wasn't. There's no screws. I have to go to the junkyard and see about finding some screws or something like that to see about fixing that. But yeah, I guess that's about it. I'm gonna go fake a shower real quick, you know, like I do every time, and then just kind of spray myself down with Febreze, you know, just fools everybody into thinking I took a shower. And then I'm gonna go by my mom's. So have a happy Thanksgiving, guys. Eat plenty of food and be as useless as possible for the rest of the day.
And if you can, come check out the Pony Project on the Fix It channel. Because it's got some issues.
Yes. And hey, remember to go over here and like and subscribe and check out my other two videos right here. So thanks, guys. Bye.